Hello, this is Jordan here from Uprint SA. We're doing a new training video onto serviettes. We have a new method for bulk serviettes. The old method will not work for bulk. We basically just going to be baking it for longer on a first press, and we will not be doing a second press. You can see here Justin is layering the serviettes, so you can do multiple serviettes at once on here. Just doing how many are you doing at once?
It's
8 at once. If you have too many serviettes on here, it starts to have a distribution of pressure problems. So your pressure is not going to be the same here as it would at the back here, because there's levels and it's just getting more and more higher.
Yeah, for the lower serviettes we've lifted the back of the base with a serviette or two, just to compensate for that.
Okay, you place your logos in the top left corner. We're doing 2000 serviette order here with the star logo. It's nice and glossy, so we're doing one press on here and it seems to be holding nicely. Alright, place your baking paper on top and you heat press at 125 degrees 30 seconds. Alright, remove your baking paper and then you can simply just take the logo straight off on the press, no waiting. The 30-second press allows it for the toner to be baked in a bit longer, so you don't need to do that second press. And that is the end result. Thanks guys.